Hello friends, let's see why an IT industry is a best career option. The main audience for this particular video is the freshers who just passed out and entering into the job search mode, the people who already passed out and have some career gap and looking for a best career option, and the people who already in job hunt mode and not able to find the right job for their skill sets and their interest, and the other category people who are doing job but not belongs to their skill sets and their interest. The last set of people who saturated in their current job, which is a non-IT job, and they could not see any kind of progress with respect to salary or a career. So, if you are in a dilemma to choose a right career option and not able to find which one to go, which one to select, here I'm trying to explain why IT industry is a best suit for you. So, why to wait? Let's get started. Let's see our first point, that is low education cost and eligibilities. The eligibility and the qualification to enter into IT is minimal. People with graduation, undergraduation, post-graduation, any qualification can apply and enter. The only criteria is they have to have a right skill set and proper communication skills. So the amount of money required to spend for this graduation or courses is minimal compared to the other sectors like medical and aeronautical engineering and other sections. IT industry is the best selection for the people who can't bear the high cost for the further studies or high range courses. So that's about the qualification and education cost. Now jump into the second point, that is the income. Once you start a career into IT job, what are the salaries? Compared to all other sectors, IT gives you a good range of salaries, and the salaries are very attractive, and also the hikes are so attractive. It all depends on how you struggle, how you build up your career, and how much technology you learned, how strong you are. The salary hikes also will be followed. Compared to other industries, IT industry provides a lot of facilities to employees. It gives nice work environment, nice infrastructure, cab facility, transport facility, health insurance, and with respect to women's security and employee security, they will be following some policies, and also they give some extra allowances for extra timing shifts and all. So that was our third point, and now let's see the fourth point, that is career growth. Any field, growth is important, and especially in IT field, the growth is tremendous. The IT industry market always challenge you with its own growth. So if we see how it evolved from last 5 to 10 years, everything is automated, everything is cloud, everything is more secured. Trending to the last point, the fourth point is also similar. So the field grows very rapidly. It gives us so much of opportunity to improve ourselves. And if we see the last 10 years and the next 20 years, there is a tremendous scope of IT improvement. So if we are able to catch the growth, we also reach the peak levels. Here are some examples of the technologies, how they are growing. If we see SEO expert, mobile designer, iOS designer, 3D animations, data science, cloud, information security, digital. So these are our next trending technologies where it changes the entire world to next level. The most important point is diversity. Diversity is one of the items that allows everyone can apply and enter into IT field. Unlike government jobs and other jobs, we don't have any reservations and other parameters to enter into IT. The only required parameter is skill set and communication. This is a field where it treats everyone as equal irrespective of race, gender, sexual orientation, social economic status, age, physical abilities, religious beliefs, political beliefs. So that's what about diversity. Now this field, based on your job and your aspiration and your willing to learn, it gives you so many challenges. Only required thing is you have to accept the challenges and step into the next level. There are few people where they will be saturated without any progress, but for the people who always try to learn, try to challenge, try to accept the new challenges, they will be reaching to the heights. And now the next point we can see is how IT environment would be. It gives you a great opportunity to collaborate with people from different places, different countries, different races, and all level of audiences. There are many activities will be handled like fun at work, outings, trips, parties, etc. to make employee refresh their mind from their day-to-day work. It also gives a very nice and refreshment environment where you can see a lot of new friends, new batches, and the IT heads always trying to manage your work with a lot of fun. There would be special people who organize these activities to make sure that the employee will be not overloaded. And this is a place where the results will be seen as a teamwork, not a success of a single person. So the next point which we can see is the motivation. So for any job, the motivation is very, very important, and especially the IT motivates you well. If we see the heads from Indians, if we consider many people who started their career as a very low profile employees and who reached the very high level employment from our Indian side, like Santya Nadella, Sundar Pichai, Narayan Murthy, Sivanadar, they're all our role models. And the IT industry will give you so much of opportunities, and you can make your own entrepreneurship. You can be your own boss. Finally, last but not the least, the demand. The IT jobs are always having high demand compared to other jobs in the market. The only parameter is the candidate should have right technology, right skill set, and nice communication skills. That is the only parameter. I have posted another video that tells about why IT industry is growing and why Indian jobs are very valuable. Please visit it. Finally, concluding all the main points, here are the list where we can see why IT industry is as a best career option for students and other people. So, low education cost, strong income, facilities, career growth, fast changing field, diversity. It gives you a lot of opportunity to open your mind, and it gives you a very good place, and the job motivates you always, and there are a lot of demand in the market. Thank you guys. Thanks for your time. Thanks for your valuable feedbacks. All the best.